In this video, we will talk about if statements, we will practice an if statement and code the statement and much more, so please like and subscribe because this video will surely help out and the upcoming videos will help out with development. So anyway, let's start. As you make games, you will find yourself wanting to make cause-effect relationships like the following. If a player scores 10 points, then they win the game. If a player has a power-up, then they can run super fast. All of these relationships need a conditional statement, lines of code that only run if certain conditions are true. One type of conditional statement is an if-then statement. This article will cover how the logic of these statements and include a practice example. To try out an if statement, you'll code a script with 1. In the statement, a part will change color if a condition is true, such as 3 plus 3 equals 6. This part can be in any blank project. In server script service, create a new script named if-then script. In the script, delete hello world and write a descriptive comment. Create a new part named if-then part. Each if statement starts with the keyword if. After that comes a condition. Conditions can come in a variety of forms but are often simple statements, like a math equation. If that condition is true, the code will continue running. In the if-then script, type the keyword if. Right after the keyword, type a logical statement that is true, such as 3 plus 3 equals 6. After making the condition, the script needs a statement that'll happen when that condition is true. In this case, the part will change transparency whenever the condition is true. Continue by typing the keyword then to indicate you want to start the statement. Press enter to autocomplete the if statement with end. After then, create a new line. Between then and end, type game.workspace.breakname.transparency equals 5.